Alright, hello everyone. So, I hope you liked the video of the Esler Alley 4.0 release. I've been working on a new prototype thing for it. It has a double pin loader now for a distributor, which is possibly coming soon. I'm not entirely sure yet, but I made this just so I can double load pins. Looking like it's in a wreck, because it is. We got a little Christmas tree for Christmas. Yeah, I'll show you how it works. So first, what we need to do is we need to load the first load of pins, which it's already open, and I'll show you how it works. This is the secondary pin loader. So we put our first load of pins down there. Now that pin is in the pin setter. Keep loading. You got a first row. And now the first head pin was a little bit tricky to make. I'll move the camera. See that first pin where that would be? Right here. It's covered by the axle for the pin setter motor. So I had to make one that goes around it. So then there's a ramp in there that pushes it into the first one. Now it's in there. And this big white thing is a support beam for it. It looks very weird and bulky in it, but you can't see it with the masking unit. Alright, so now that the first load is closed, now we can close this. It also puts a little close thingy on the head pin design. I can actually just take this out. There's a little secondary. And there's the inside of it. You can see a little bit closer. Put this back. Alright, so we close it. It just closes just a little bit. So now we put all the pins on the second rack. Alright, now we get them all up. So now there's a new rack up here and a rack inside the pin setter. The front. I'm gonna set this down so I can. It's not on because I haven't redone the code yet, so I might just have to do this manually. It's still a prototype, so it's not like issues might occur. I'm not entirely sure. I tested it before I made the video. It worked fine. And then we'll open it. Uh-oh. What happened here? Oh, a pin got stuck. Yeah, I told you it's a prototype. Gotta push that down. There we go. Pin got stuck. I have custom fittings in there to make the pins tighter held in the pin setter. I'll have to fix that. Alright, now they're all loaded up. Now we're going to clear the pins. Okay. Now that the pins are cleared, now we can get ready for a second drop, which would be automatic, but right now it's manual. So then I removed the pin, so then we have to open the pin setter rack up. Well, maybe you'll be able to see. Okay, now you can, pin setter's open. And the pins might not all go in because the pin setter might not be open correctly because it has to be open perfectly for them to fall in. So now when I push this thing back, they should all fall in. It looks like it worked. Now that they're all in again, you know the drill. Wind it down. Oh, looks like that pin that got stuck last time actually fell in. That's good. Now let's open it up. Oh, no, never mind, I was wrong. It's just the gold pin. You can't see it. Did get stuck. I have to fix that. It needs some special care. Whatever. I'll just take that pin out. That's the only thing I gotta fix. But you get the point. Oh, this is so hard. Oh, here we go. Just pulled it right out. Alright. Oh, it's already open. Alright. Except for that pin that I had to remove, and we're good. Alright. So that's my double pin loader. This is a special mechanism for this to make double pins loading easy. Alright. So I'll see you guys in the next video update. If there is, possibly. Alright, goodbye everyone.